Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the paragraph symbol, which is also called the paragraph mark or Velcro sign in Microsoft Word. If you're seeing this symbol on every line in your document, do not worry. It is not a virus and it is not a problem with your file. It is simply a formatting mark that has been turned on. The paragraph symbol shown as this sign appears when the Microsoft Word is set to display formatting marks. These marks help to show where paragraph ends, but many users do not want to see them while editing. The easiest way to remove the paragraph symbol in Word is go to the Home tab at the top left corner. Under Paragraph section, click on this symbol to unhide paragraph symbol or paragraph mark, and that should disable the paragraph mark. Now, in spite of this, if you're still seeing the paragraph symbol in a Word document, another option is to turn off the paragraph marks in the settings. So you can click on the file at the top left corner, then click on Options. Under Options, you may click on the Display tab. Under Display, under the Always Show These Formatting Marks on the screen, uncheck the box for paragraph mark. So in case if this box is checked, you can go ahead and uncheck it. Click on OK, and that should turn off the paragraph symbol in your Microsoft Word document. So this is how you can go ahead and turn off or remove the paragraph symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.